Hello everybody, welcome back to another video today. Today I unboxed my GoPro. So here's my GoPro Hero 12. It's brand new. I got it for Christmas. Yes, I know it's February, but I didn't have time and no, this is what happens. So here's the camera itself. It's looking actually really nice. It shoots up to 4K, so that's kind of nice. The lowest it goes is 1080. These are for some attachments. I am going on a trip, so I'll have to record some stuff and upload it here, and I'll show you guys all of this. So if I turn the camera on, it'll beep. And I just set it up a little while ago, so you can see it. You can see that. I'll make it large. And if I turn it around, you can see the phone camera. No, that's not what I wanted to do. So you can play back from the device. I'll show you. I think you can. Hold on. I'm learning this as I go. Okay, go back. Yeah, you can play from there. I'm testing out the camera on this GoPro. So, hello. This is my new GoPro. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, that's the video playback on the GoPro. I'm trying to hold the phone and navigate this out. And I got a photo too. So, hold on. I'm gonna hold my phone like this. And I'm sorry I can't record. It'll be much better when I start actually recording on this thing. Okay, if I close that out, I'll get back to the home. I didn't know how to do that, but it takes photo, video. Swipe. And that's gonna go. So yeah, that gives me a photo. So I can take a photo of my camera. Like this. I will have to delete that in a second, but should have got me a photo. And then further in here, you can see all the super photo, night mode if I wanted to go take one outside, which would be kind of cool. And then some other stuff. So that's really cool. It's kind of, I guess it's kind of like night mode on the iPhones, but I don't really know. It's kind of similar to that. You can so I can lock the orange. Sorry, I can lock the orientation. I can actually talk to the device, but I don't want to do that because, you know, that kind of stuff doesn't work well. So yeah, see, I can pair my phone. Controls easy. I can change the controls if I want to. Preferences. So you can't actually do auto upload without a subscription. So if you want to upload, you can upload it still. From the camera. It's just not as easy to do it from the camera as you would from, I don't think where it was originally. Auto power off is 5 minutes. LEDs are all on. That's in the settings. There's voice control. I turned it off because, well, why would I have that on? Displays. It's just the language, which is really weird, but I guess that's how it works. Video auto anti-flicker is 60 hertz. Oh. Yeah, so that's just the screensaver. Yes. And that's all the information about the camera. GoPro updates. Camera info. No, I didn't have the camera pointed at. Battery info. So I guess the battery has the original firmware on it. Date and time. It is 2:05? Or is it 2:07? I think it's 2:04. Yeah, it's 2. Yeah, today's the 5th. Yep, that's about right. Yeah. So daylights. Daylight savings time is off. So it's not 6:43. It's 5:43. It's just a quick video I wanted to show you. I will probably be uploading stuff that I shoot on the GoPro to here. And, yeah. So that's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed this quick... Oh. I have to fix that now. How did I... Oh, jeez. Well, I'm gonna go figure out how to unlock my screen, here on the GoPro. You've got to be kidding me. But, as you can see, it's a pretty nice camera. If I could unlock this, that would be great. Yeah, there we go. I got it. So make sure you don't lock your screen next time. That always works better. Alright, I'll catch you on the flip side. Hope you enjoyed this quick almost 7-minute review, but hope you enjoyed it. Alright, see you in the next one. Peace.
Head in the sand, watching the time just ticking. Clock runs around, days in and out, can't